Hello viewers, are you experiencing with the problem Instagram DM not working? Don't worry, you are not alone. Many users facing this problem in Instagram. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix it. So let's see the step. For solving this problem, first of all go to Play Store. Now click on search bar and search Instagram. From here, make sure your Instagram app is updated. So click on update. After updating Instagram, now go back to home screen and long press on Instagram app. Now click on app info or I button. Now scroll down and click on storage. Now click on clear cache. Go back. Now click on force stop. Click on OK. Now go back to home screen. Restart your phone. After all this process, now go to Instagram and try to open Instagram DM and see problem solved successfully. If still facing same problem, then wait few times because this problem might be due to Instagram bugs. After few times, this problem will be solved automatically. Thanks for watching. Stay connected for more updates.